Okay, so I'm making a video of how to prove that the service in Grand Rapids, Michigan from Sprint sucks total ass. I've been trying to make a phone call for the past 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes now, and it cannot get through. It will take about 45 to a minute before the phone call actually connects. So I'm going to show you proof that the service sucks. Either it will take forever to get in, or the phone call will fail. I'm going to use my sister's phone as an example. Calling right now. Look at that. Call failed. I'm going to try it again. Call failed again. And to prove I'm not bullshitting, service bar, I know it kind of sucks that you can't really see it, but it's at 3 bars. So I'm going to try this one more time. Call failed. So let's just say, I'm in an accident right now, right? And I need a police or, an ambulance. Obviously that's not going to happen because I can't get no damn signal from Sprint. Let's try it one more time. Call failed. Please try again. One more time. Whoops. Call. Call failed once again. So what does this tell you? How many times have I tried calling this number? It won't go through. So seriously, Sprint service in Grand Rapids sucks ass. Call failed. Please try again. So Sprint, you need to fix your service as soon as possible, or you know what? You're gonna lose a customer. I'm sick of paying all these bullshit fees and I'm not even getting any service, and then when I do get service, it sucks ass and my connection's slow via the internet. So you guys really need to do something.